So in this video, we're going to talk about slow motion compared to super slow motion. And people say that the super slow motion is actually gone on the S24 Ultra. That's not true. Let me show you what they did. So we're going to go back in the camera here. We're going to go to more, right there. We're going to look for the actual slow motion, and there it is right there. All right, so now if you look over here in your left top, you can tap on that and get a bunch of different variations, okay? So in this ultra setting at 120 frames a second, and if you look down here, it's going to show you that it's at 1/4 speed, okay? So if you go over here to HD, you can get 1/4 speed on 120 frames a second, but if you press 40, you can get 1/8 speed. So it's different variations here, just kind of limited right in that one section. But let me show you what they did. Let's do a recording and check that out. Very smooth, no matter how you. All right, now let's go to the stop that video. Press over here, and we're going to go right to the actual video. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you, if you press on the pencil, it's going to take you into the editor. This editor is really cool because it has a lot of features. Okay, so if you look here on this side and here on this side, you have these lines that you can choose the position of the video that you want to actually start to change. You can also I believe tap on this and split it into two sections if you want, and change the speed. Now that we're in the speed section, you can tap on the speed and then tap on this again, and you have all different variations. 1/32, okay, and let's go over here and let's just choose let's say regular speed, half speed, just for kicks right there. Okay, so now that we have this, you can actually also choose how long the variation of the video is. Okay, so let's just choose, just to show you the speed difference right away. Let's just choose it right about here because it takes forever for the speed that it's on now. Also, another thing that I'm going to show you here right away, when you're in this section here, tap on here and hold it, and you can go frame by frame if you really got to get really into anything. So let's check that out and see how that runs really quick right there. The speed, all right? So let's check it out. Bring the actual play monitor back to the start. Let's press play and check out the speed variation from 1/32 down to 1/2. All right. So you see how that works? You can do anywhere. Let's say you want to change this. Let's bring back your length of your video. Okay. And if you wanted to go into the video somewhere and double check your frames because you have a part where you want to put the video, just put your icon there, and it'll put you right where you need to be. Okay, so you can see where you're at in that video right there right now. You can also just go ahead and leave this section like it is, or you can finely tune it if you like. So like I said, 1/32, and let's go and change this. Let's say we want to change it to 1/16. All right, so go ahead and bring your, just for our practice, our simple show and tell here, just bring the icon to about there, because this is super slow and you don't want to be here 30 minutes on this video, right? So let's press play now and see what happens. Sometimes you'll get sound in there and sometimes you won't. It all depends, but you can see how slow it is right now, right? It's going to change here in a second. So it's a little bit faster, as you can see. And let's say you don't like that. Maybe you want a sporting event, and you want it to go full speed. So basically what you do is tap on the speed, okay, and tap on the speed that's actually now. All right, and then you can tap on the speed. Let's say we want to go all the way back to full speed, a 1. And check that out. Let's check. We got to bring this cursor over here to about where. And if you press and hold, you can pretty much get any frame you want. You can get so close, like right here. Now, if we press play, you're going to see very fast. We're going to be in 1/32 speed, and then it's going to transfer into regular speed pretty quick, and you'll see the difference. No matter how you see how that goes. Let's play it back again. See how slow it is. Let's say you're trying to catch a sporting event or basketball or whatever. You can get some really good photos out of this. No matter how you. And real cool videos. So what they did, they actually moved the super slow motion into the editor, right in the camera mode, in the camera itself, instead of an actual mode. And I think they did that because it took a lot of space up in the memory. I'm really not sure, but I personally like this a lot better. There's so many functions that can be done. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that, and have a great day.